Welcome to cleaning and organizing. My bad. I'm back home and in my closet of this moving journey. Finally. So today I decided that it's gonna be a retail therapy type of day. I'm gonna go to the store and restock on some of my favorite skincare. Later, I really want to organize my closet. I finally have everything I need to organize my closet. So we're gonna go to the store and gonna go and buy a few things for my closet, my bathroom maybe. Self-care to me could be like your skin, makeup, hair, but also just like making your environment, your space clean or organized and just making it personalized. So today we're definitely buying things for my room, but also like skincare stuff. Anyways, I low-key had a crazy weekend. I went to a rave, I went to a party, 2 parties. I wasn't even home all weekend, but being in my room is just putting me in such a good mood. I just showered and a girly is clean. Outfit of the day. I look like trash. Literally, I look so bad, but you know what? It's a lazy kind of day. We're wearing these sweatpants, which I got these ones from Walmart, like literally Walmart, and I just fold them to make them like low rise. They're already low rise, but I'm short and the pants are too long, so we just fold them. And then I'm wearing this zip-up hoodie, cropped, from PacSun. I'm wearing this thrifted purse, hot pink. Yeah, we love it. And yeah, that is the fit for today. Also, this is how my bathroom is looking. Don't mind this area over here. I need to get something to cover over this, and all of this stuff in there is gonna go, and I'm gonna make it cute and organized at some point. We're gonna put like a curtain over it or something. I want to put a door there, but that's such a small little way that I feel like a door is not gonna fit there. I finally installed my 2 mirrors, and then I need to get like a light fixture. I'm thinking of 2 lamps on the side of these mirrors. Also, this countertop is gonna go. Trust me, I'm replacing this. And then I finally installed this, which, you know, this would be like extra storage. So yeah, that is so far the update. Just glad to have y'all here with me for the journey. Anyways, let's go to the store and focus on ourselves. Focus on making ourselves happy and making our environment happy. Yeah, okay. Guys, look at these new sunnies I got. Yeah, literally thrifted. I low-key look fire. Yeah, y'all see that sign? I think I'm gonna try to get into that like silver metallic trend. Anyways, I'm at Ulta. Let's go inside. So I just got back from Ulta, got myself some cha time. I got the jasmine green milk tea. This is like my favorite to get at cha time, but honestly cha time is mid. But like, you know how sometimes mid is delicious? If you guys are feeling down, stressed, tired, go get yourself a nice drink because you deserve it. Okay, we're gonna do a quick little haul. Did I just spend like 140? Yes, I did. Was it worth it? Yes, I did. Is this gonna be a tax write-off? Absolutely. I'm just kidding. First thing I got was this coconut miracle oil, extra strength penetrating oil thingy. I never thought I would like anything coconut scented, but recently I met this guy and he told me that his products that he uses in his hair are like literally this brand. So I literally got the oil. Even though this is coconut scented, tell me why it smells like cucumbers. So I got the shampoo and conditioner. So I also got this Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. This is my favorite exfoliator. Chef's kiss. If you guys want soft skin, get this. If you guys want a nice complexion, get this. And then I got the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, pure cold pressed rosehip seed oil. And then the rest are just minor stuff. So I got the ColourPop eyebrow pencil, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is for like on the go, so I'm gonna keep this in my car and just have it when I need it, because you never know when you're gonna need it. Like if you sleep over a boy's house and you might need a little concealer. And then I just restocked on my L'Oreal Infallible concealer because this stuff is so good. Let's go shopping. Low-key, that just healed my heart. I'm back home. I'm in my closet and I cleared out the closet so that we can get ready and organize it so it looks like so all clean. We're gonna organize the closet, but first we're actually going to work on the bathroom because the bathroom is like the nastiest in my opinion. Like the closet, this is a clean slate with my bathroom. You guys know how I said there's like stuff in here, so we're gonna move all that. I got a curtain rod to cover this door, so we're gonna install that. Hopefully I do it right because my dad is not home, so I can ask for help. Dusty! How do I get that? Tissue. Oh, I got a splinter! Number one, my parents have hella toilet paper, so let's just make an entire row for toilet paper. I figured that this wouldn't be enough bins, but the thing is I already have a lot of bins. You guys see all of those? They're already filled, but I guess I would just have to reorganize it. I was being kind of lazy, but I do have like a lot of extra bins. We're just gonna organize it and I think it's gonna work out. I just can't wait till I get a new countertop because this is like, it's dreadful to look at. You know, it's not really my aesthetic. Look at how cute this lotion is. This is definitely gonna be publicly displayed because anything pink is cute. Also, look at my new toothbrush, guys. Why is she so high tech? Cool. You know what? I don't know. First bin. This is gonna be cleaning supplies. Even though this one right here is already that, we're gonna make this that. Should I? I don't know. I think this would be a good cleaning supply drawer. So honestly, it is getting real hot up in here. Got my multi-purpose cleaning thing. Stuff to mop. Doggy spray. We need this because I got 4 dogs in this house. This stuff smells so good. My little air fresheners, which I love these. Smart thinking, Sandy. Alright, I have a whole bunch of extras, but we're just gonna throw it in here for now. Ta-da! So those were all of my cleaning supplies, but my parents have a lot under these cabinets down here. We're gonna organize those too and throw away whatever's like empty. What the fuck is this? If they need it enough, they will go buy it again. Honestly, now that I think about it, this could totally fit like a shelf. You know, like those bathroom shelves, putting in these trays. It could totally fit another row, you know? So I'll probably go buy those. Not today. At some point, I probably will. But I am so glad that I have my bathroom essentials now. Perfect. Me realizing there's another atrocious drawer I have to deal with. Alright, so this side, I have no idea what to do with it. I decided to move everything on this side because these are all like skincare beauty stuff that are like extra. So I just feel like it makes more sense to have it on this side. And then whatever like Febreze or whatever cleaning supplies will be on this side since the toilet is over here. Yeah, and this side's closer to my room. So beauty on this side. These drawers in here, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take out the stuff. This is all like period stuff. I have this bin. I'm gonna make it fit. It doesn't want to fit. Oh wait, I got it. Don't mind the floors. We're gonna finish that. I think I want to just like make this really cute and organized. Would this fit? Do I like that? I don't know. But guys, I love that it's all my stuff in here now. It's getting a lot more personalized and I think that's cute. Who else has a thing for loofahs? I have like so many. This one's gray, so I haven't used it yet, but I love loofahs. If I'm being honest, right now, I feel really good. Like I feel like I'm in touch with my higher self right now. When I do things like this for myself, it just makes me so happy. It feels really good to be happy. I like to put my blow dryer under the sink so that's not up here and looking messy. Makeup bag. I probably should have painted in here, but I was too lazy, so we're just gonna deal with it. There's that side. Honestly, could totally fit a second row, so maybe I'll do that next time. And then there's this side. Cute. Definitely more personalized. Down here we have all my period stuff, and also those are all my travel size things. And then right here, so empty, but it's just gonna be my favorite like hot tools, which is usually just my flat iron and my curling iron. And then up here we have just like my essentials. So my favorite hair products, which I love these, and also this Ava New York City. This is like a volumizing mist. So good. It makes your hair so puffy and full. But these two products are very cute, so I think that I'm gonna just leave them up here. I'll make it look cute, like I know I can. This box had a lot of bathroom stuff and now it's empty, so I'm proud of that. Finally cleared out the first box of this moving journey, finally. Let's move on. Up next is this filthy bathtub. This bathtub has not been cleaned in, I would say, a year. If you guys look closely, when I moved in, I did not clean the bathtub. I just like wanted to shower really quickly, so I just threw stuff in. But today we're definitely going to be giving this a nice old clean and taking out a lot of the shampoos that I don't use. I don't know what time it is. It is 7:07. The lighting in my room is pretty cute. And also my room is so messy because I cleared out my closet, which my closet had a lot of stuff. We're definitely gonna be clearing out all this laundry, maybe in my next video. Today's video will be more bathroom focused. Yeah. Oh, look at my skin. She's glowing. Okay guys, I am so freaking tired, but I cleaned this as best as I could. Literally, that took so much cardio out of me. That just made me so tired. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but I bought this. Oh my god, it's kind of high. It's too high. But I'm just gonna make it work. I am too lazy to return it. Bathroom is decently clean. At least I like fully organized like the important stuff. Within the next few days, I'm gonna be getting my countertop. That is when I will like fully try my best to decorate everything. I'm really proud of this, okay guys? I'm very proud of that. I'm glad my bathroom is, you know, clean. Over here, it's just that. Not that cute yet, but I'll figure something out. And yeah, I am exhausted. Anyways guys, that is it for today's cleaning my bathroom and a little self-care. But I'm really happy that I got in a little bit of retail therapy. There's nothing that makes me happier than buying skincare and also buying home stuff. A lot of people with money, they buy like designer bags. But me personally, I spend money on home decor and beauty stuff.